piece.
Yeah, this is
See
only
properly.
the point.
See properly in the down layer. In the down layer.
This is the edge piece. This is the edge piece.
This is the edge piece. Yeah, this is the corner piece. Okay, now I can see properly. It is already between two centers. Yeah. Do it. Do the
I
last
was
one.
telling that only.
Now do it. Right up. You're not holding cube properly. I cannot see. Hold it here in front of camera. Yeah. Start. Continue. Right down. Down left. Right up. And down right. Again. See. Your first layer is completed. Edge pieces are joining to the centers of the second layer and the corner pieces are completed. So this we want. Okay, edge pieces are same in the upper layer and corner pieces are also same.